Welcome to my channel. If you want to create stunning illustrations and elevate your creative workflow, finding the best iPad for digital art is absolutely essential. Let me walk you through my top picks today. Product number 1. XPPen Magic Drawing Pad 12.2-inch Standalone Drawing Tablet. First on my list is a fantastic standalone tablet that ensures comprehensive coverage for your creative illustration needs. This model captures stunning results by utilizing a highly responsive battery-free stylus, giving you impeccably clear lines and vibrant colors without any severe input lag. It comes equipped with an advanced matte screen display, allowing it to maintain maximum precision at the tip for your daily sketching routine. One of the primary highlights is its fast processor technology, enabling you to achieve professional-grade digital art directly at impressive speeds. It features built-in specialized pressure sensitivity levels to manage your precise shading seamlessly. For added convenience and security, it includes a premium ergonomic design and utilizes a robust lightweight frame built to withstand heavy daily usage. With its wide software compatibility and gentle pen feel, this setup ensures complete peace of mind for every masterpiece you create inside your home. I highly recommend this fantastic device to aspiring digital artists everywhere. Product number 2. RubensTab T11 Pro Standalone Drawing Tablet. Next up is a highly popular model that beautifully combines high performance with practical functionality for everyday creative projects and professional illustrations. This premium setup delivers crisp visual feedback from the main display and incredibly sharp strokes from the included specialized drawing pen. It utilizes advanced screen technology combined with a laminated glass surface to guarantee balanced color reproduction in any condition, whether sketching delicate fine portraits or navigating thick brush strokes. Reviewing your canvas is exceptionally simple thanks to the integrated variable brightness settings, which let you manage and lock crucial visual details instantly. It provides continuous protection through multiple layer configurations, actively working to prevent unexpected lag while your tablet is securely held. This amazing unit supports reliable battery power, automatically delivering consistent performance to prevent workflow issues. Its durable shell offers excellent resistance for consistent operation on all your long daily drawing trips, making it a fantastic addition to your daily creative regimen. Product number 3. PicassoTab X11 Standalone Drawing Tablet. Moving along, I have another premium drawing option that gracefully elevates the user experience by incorporating a highly responsive touch interface and incredibly convenient lightweight design features. Capturing your entire artistic routine in brilliant high-efficiency resolution with an expansive digital canvas, it effortlessly locks vital details across multiple sections of fast-moving strokes. The significantly enhanced powerful processor guarantees that your workflow remains crystal clear and perfectly unhindered during late evening painting hours. Comfort is always a primary focus with this advanced device, allowing you to use simple manual gestures for completely hassle-free operation, thereby drastically minimizing frustrating interruptions while painting. The smart compact design makes it remarkably simple to zoom into tight corners or adjust settings with a simple tap. It features an integrated anti-glare screen to provide traceable stroke accuracy in your tool. With an included high-capacity battery, seamless continuous workflow, and a sensitive stylus, it delivers exceptional artistic security very reliably for your everyday hobby. Product number 4. HUION KAMVAS Pro 16 Drawing Tablet with Screen. My next selection takes digital illustration to a unique level with an upgraded deluxe drawing system that meticulously monitors absolutely everything on your canvas. This innovative device captures a complete wide-degree color gamut, displaying the front, rear, sides, and interior of your model simultaneously in incredibly clear high efficiency. It is an ideal solution for users who want total lag elimination and complete pressure control. Managing your extensive drawing routine is incredibly straightforward thanks to the built-in shortcut keys and a free extra large display area that allows you to safely refine flat colors right from your hand. The system utilizes continuous corded power to manage energy very efficiently, seamlessly smoothing old lines when the rendering process is complete. It also features a reliable anti-slip base that immediately locks the screen during sudden drawing movements, preserving essential focus. Powered by a high-performance connection, this unique display runs smoothly in extreme rendering sessions to give you total confidence. Product number 5. Wacom MovinkPad 11. Finally, I have an exceptionally advanced tablet system perfectly packed with cutting-edge professional capabilities and highly intelligent touch controls for maximum creative freedom. This powerful device safely captures true high-efficiency clarity from the main screen and incredibly clear rendering from the versatile processor, ensuring all flat colors and rough sketches are perfectly refined. It strongly stands out by supporting true multi-layer documents, allowing you to paint thick textures and track your artwork's exact condition through your display even when you are zooming far away. The seamlessly integrated stylus technology makes capturing small details incredibly fast and very convenient. It features an enhanced shortcut menu to safely capture beautifully balanced tones in tight corners or heavy blending situations. With reliable continuous power, a highly responsive lightweight handling mechanism, and an optimized stand convenience, it consistently delivers exceptionally stable performance and long-term durability in absolutely any busy studio environment. I believe this tool will change the way you draw forever. That wraps up my look at the top digital drawing tools available on the market today. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to grab your favorite. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.